siya. It was my first experience. Go home. I'm surprised you actually got to find her.
We're actually making certain using power she will come to and she will see the video herself because she's the perfect tour guide for this part of the gathering called Dear Mr. President.
So this is actually called
Dear Mr. President. Those who wanted to write their own personal message to the President, they will create an entire video para ma-enclose sila ng mga messages.
I remember this. Amazing. So many stories.